children. Today I am starting chapter 1, History of Computers. So this chapter I am showing you or explain you with the help of presentation. So children, watch it carefully and sit carefully, listen it carefully, okay? So this is your chapter, History of Computers. So watch this presentation. Early calculating devices. So first we learn about some early calculating devices. Stones, sticks, fingers, pebbles, and cowries. These are some early calculating devices. After this, mechanical counting devices comes. So in this counting devices, abacus was the first. So abacus was the first calculating device invented in 3000 BC in China to count large numbers. This is a picture of abacus. Then after, Napier bones. In 1616, John Napier invented Napier bones and the devices look like this. Then after, electromechanical counting devices comes. In this, first is Pascaline. Pascaline was the first mechanical calculator invented in 1642 by Blaise Pascal. It was used to add, subtract, divide and multiply numbers. It means to do basic arithmetic operations as big as thousands. It was the first gear-driven calculator. And this is the picture of Pascaline. Then after, in electromechanical counting device, Leibniz calculator comes. Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz built a calculator called Leibniz calculator in 1671. Apart from performing arithmetic operations, it could also find square roots. So new thing is, it is used to find square roots. It consisted of stabbed drum called Leibniz wheel. This is the picture of Leibniz calculator. Jacquard loom. Joseph Mary Jacquard invented a powered loom called Jacquard loom in 1801. This is the picture of Jacquard loom. This can be considered as the first read-only memory device. And after Jacquard loom, what comes? Difference engine. Charles Babbage, a mathematics professor, designed an automatic calculating machine in 1622. He called it difference engine. This is the picture of Charles Babbage. It was used to perform complex mathematical operations. Then after, analytical engine. In 1823, Charles Babbage thought of a mechanical construction which was known as mechanical digital computer. Babbage called this analytical engine. That's why Charles Babbage is rightly called the father of computers. This is the picture of analytical engine. Then after, Boolean logic. George Boole designed the Boolean logic, which became the fundamental principle for designing computer circuits. Then after, what comes? Electronic counting device. In 1889, an American named Herman Hollerith invented a counting machine to count the population of USA. Herman Hollerith was the founder of the company that became famous as IBM, International Business Machine. This is a picture of Herman Hollerith. And what comes after? Modern calculating devices or computers. So in this topic, The first digital electronic computer is ABC. What is the first digital electronic computer? ABC. John V. Atansoff and Clifford E. Barry developed the first computer prototype. It was called Atansoff-Berry computer ABC. What is new in this? It used the binary number system like a modern computer. Then after Z3. Z3 was an electromechanical computer designed by Conrad Zuse. It was the world's first programmable and fully automatic computing machine. So this is the picture of Z3 machine and the inventor is Conrad Zuse. Then after Harvard Mark I. Harvard Mark I computer was built in partnership between Harvard and IBM in 1944. Look, this picture is, the computer of picture is very large. Then ENIAC and UNIVAC. So what is ENIAC? Electronic Numerical and Calculator. ENIAC was the first fully functional electronic digital computer. Look at this picture, it is also very large. Then after Universal Automatic Computer, UNIVAC was the first commercial computer manufactured in the USA. So this is the history of computer, children. Thank you for watching this and join my class. So I am stopping this. Bye student. God bless you to all.